All right, I'm about to go sit my ass down, but I love it out here. You got fresh seafood, people vibing, DJs. Like, I love Kaohsiung. I like Taipei a lot too. I think I just like Taiwan a lot in general as a tourist, visitor, whatever. But I'm gonna go sit in the sand for a little bit. It's all soft and hot. And the music is good, y'all. This is a good motherfucking vibe. I'm so grateful. I'm really in Taiwan right now. It's crazy. What? DJ playing, sun is setting, full belly. Okay. All the little kids are dancing. Oh, I picked right today. Again, sorry, Buddha, but. Love it here, y'all. Shorty's on the beach dancing, doing her little TikToks. And everybody's minding their damn business, myself included. Man. Alright, y'all, what's up? So Rainbow Church is also here. Feel free to look that up. And the lighthouse. I will be walking to neither. This view is good enough for me. But yeah, some people are like running tricycles, bikes, whatever. So I get around and stuff. But again, I am very happy right here. So just figured I'd mention it. I guess mainly for the travel vlog, but for y'all too, if you want to know. Like I said, it's like a 30-minute walk. I'm not about to do that. Alright, y'all, I can't sit still apparently. Also, the thing I said I wasn't gonna go to, I don't know, but it's only 15 minutes away. Somebody said 30. But I guess it depends on where you show up, so who knows, we'll see. Alright, y'all, I'm an unreliable narrator, but I'm also really nosy and I want to see what the rest of the island or area has to offer. I'm crying. Tell me why 3 local guys walked by. It said, you know your daddy's home. What's that song? Daddy's home. Just casually bopping it on the beach. I was weak. I was like, go ahead, do your thing. But yeah, I'm restless. Y'all know me. Might grab some beef noodles, but I want to explore a little bit. It was nice sitting there. I'm just a little restless. And the walk is shorter than I thought it would be. You can rent one of those, by the way. I'm crying out the random hello. Yeah, I'm glad I came. It was around the corner. Not the full neck braid. The old lady said. Oh man. Now me forgetting I was black. Let me go back to the main area. The hi, hellos seem harmless, and I think they are, but I'm just like, oh man. Sleeping Beauty is this. Alright, it's really pretty, y'all. There's a family right there. So, I guess we're going to the lighthouse. And then we're going back to the street, because where am I? Alright, y'all, it was a short little walk. We got civilization over there. It's crazy, because it's like no people. You're like, too many people. You're like, Dude was vibing. I'm weak. He was walking. Well, I'm not weak. It's not funny, but it was cute. He was walking. He was like, both hands out, just, oh God. Not a squirrel taking me out my game. Yikes, that's embarrassing. Anyways, I'll talk to you. My boat is speeding. Y'all, I really just be going, but I'm just so grateful for this body I have. My legs, my feet, my hands, I'm using. I'm not gonna do that because I'm tired. Goes to literally everything I said I was not gonna go to. I'm not even trying to fool y'all. I'll be fooling myself. I'm just a nosy traveler. Safely curious. Alright, y'all, I took a little walk. Came back, sunset. My only grievance is my dumbass not wearing sneakers. Also, the rainbow arch is further than it says it is. So, yeah. Alright, this is cute, but best believe tomorrow when I check into my Airbnb, I'm not doing anything but the travel vlogs, sitting around, eating, and enjoying myself, watching my shows. No, I did not. Y'all already knew I wasn't gonna take a picture here, but and then turn right around. Yep, yes sir, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Google already said, they were like, it's not worth it, it's not the same as the Instagram, they be color coding and color grading or whatever. Some of the stuff I just do, y'all, for exercise, for real. I got a little diabetes in my family, so sometimes I just be doing it for exercise. But anyways, I'm gonna go get some beef noodles and head back. And also, I wanted to go to Love Pier or Love River or something like that, which looks pretty at night, so I was just killing a little time. Walk 30 minutes here, spent 3 seconds, turned around. And y'all know me, I'm always editing. Oh, not me looking at Ashley, y'all, that's sand. I'm always editing safely. So, a little scenery while I edit. But it's starting to get dark, so we're gonna head back. Y'all, I'm goofy. I forgot I could ride a bike. I don't know, man. I'll just be walking everything out. Not the stray dogs looking like wolves over there. Y'all, I'm so goofy. The place I want to go eat at closes at 7. It's 6:30. I was trying to see if I could find a bike, but hopefully, I'm not trying to be annoying. Hopefully, it's just beef noodles. 20 minutes before they close, should be okay. Damn, I'm dumb. Oh my gosh. I'm over here cruising like I got all the time in the world. Yikes. Now I'm gonna be right back to where I was trying to get some food. Y'all. Okay, good vibes. I love it. Yeah. It's a party. It's a party. It's a party. Hey. My bad, y'all. Forgive the shaky camera. I'm trying to get some food. I like that, y'all. I didn't want to record too much. It was like a little mom and pop shop, but this is the name of the place. Oh my gosh, they just closed. I wasn't the last one, thankfully. It was so good, honey. What? Okay, I gotta get back to the ferry terminal, but it was so good. Oh my gosh. And then, like, I think recording makes people a little nervous, but I highly recommend. They were so good. I'm not on no like food critic energy, but it was really, really delicious. And he was so sweet. It was like he brought the fan. He kept trying to angle the fan to make sure like I was like staying cool enough. And she done cooked it nice and fresh, and it was just so sweet. He brought me napkins. I was like, y'all ain't gotta do all that. I'm nobody special, but yeah, I saw it on Google. But yeah, check it out. Check it out. It was really good. And it's literally where I was already, but I just came back. And I feel so full. It was very hearty. I'm really weird with cuts of meat, chicken, beef, all of that. Like, I keep trying to become a vegetarian. I'm doing a really bad job. But, you know, it was good. I liked it. I liked it a lot. And yeah. Oh, cash only as well. I put on my... It was such a wholesome experience. I pulled out my card just to ask. She left like, girl, no. She's like, I ain't gonna stand on the side of the street. I know you did not just ask me. I'm like, my bad. And there was a family eating there. They looked like, oh, okay, like foreigner eats at this spot, all right. And then the kid was staring at me the entire time, y'all. He was staring me dead in my face while I was slurping up noodles. I was like, oh my gosh. But yeah, let's head back. It's nighttime. I'm gonna check out the pier and head straight back to the hostel. We are done. Like I was telling you, you are beautiful. I loved it. Thank you so much. I'm out. I got a lychee, I don't know how to say it, lychee smoothie. All right, y'all, I have like no cash left. I think I could top up my Easy Pass to get to the airport at 7-Eleven. I'm not sure. I'll check. But yeah, we out here. Stop, my kind of machine. Not detergent. Taiwan is not playing about their claw machines at all. Damn, my dude is flying, y'all. I've never seen a bus go past so many people. Oh my gosh. Like, there was like 20 people at the stop, and you have to flag them down for real. Even now, like, I got off my stop. I stopped it. He done. She screwed. Gotta press that stop button. Anyways, I'll see y'all. I'm about to go chill and edit. I like it here. He be listening to rock music, y'all. Cool hostel. Highly recommend. Another little kid was staring at me in line the whole time, y'all, for like 3 minutes straight. Alright, y'all, so I am about to get ready to leave Kaohsiung and take the train over to Taichung. That will be my last stop. How are we feeling about these longer vlogs? I think I like them. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next adventure. Bye.